So you should know. I have all the emails and all your pictures. I have all your pictures. Every picture with you in the hotel with you. Have a nice day. You're nothing but a whore and a homemaker. And act like you're somebody in church, but you're usher in a church. You're such a usher in church. The Bible gonna just burn up in your hand. You never know that book you up. Yeah, video are. Take my husband. 27 years we've been together. We're married twice. Twice we married.
It's a drama.
And you're and every day in church. 7 houses she lived from me. And when my mother died and I dropped down, that woman came in my household, could kill me and put nutmeg in my mouth and rub me up with alcohol. See her here? Keisha Carr. And she's a married woman to her husband leave she because she's nothing but a whore. She sleeps with the whole community, Waterford. She's from 1701 Litchfield Road in Waterford. And I was